Today I'm going to show you how to replace the headlights, or rather take off the headlights on a Monte Carlo or a Lumina 95 to 99 Monte Carlo 95 to 01 Lumina. Pretty simple process, it's not that hard. They designed it kind of crappily, so getting to it is a bit difficult, but it's not that hard once you take it out. So here's a headlight on a Monte Carlo, this is a 95. I'll show you here. When we turn the hazards on, our turn signals, you can see it blinks there. Turn on the parking lights and the headlights, you can see, and then when you turn the hazards on, it gets brighter. So, oh yeah, and the bright high beams right there. So I'm going to show you how to remove that. You can pretty much do this with common hand tools. First step is to pop the hood just like this. Then I'm going to show you where we go from there. Alright, like I said, this is a pretty easy process. So, what you do, first off, we'll open the hood, and you see the headlight and all the assembly behind it. Alright, the first step, this is already done on mine, but normally these plastic covers will be down like this, and you won't be able to pull on them, okay? Once they've been popped, then pretty much you really can't get them back down. But basically what you want to do, you take a flathead screwdriver, it'll be in this position, you're going to go down under here and pop it up so that you can lift these flaps up. You need these flaps up. Alright, once you've done that step, we're going to do, actually we really don't need that side because we're only going to do the right or left headlight. Then what you're going to do is you're going to notice a couple clamps. One right there and one right there. So we're going to take those off. They can be a little tight. If they are, I'll show you a trick for them. I cut my hand, I think. But you just take these off. Put these somewhere where you ain't gonna forget them. And this one, this is why you need to undo this, because this will be covered like that otherwise. But you come in here, and yep, this one's stuck, so I'm gonna show you my trick. Take a screwdriver handle of any kind, find it, this one's in a really bad position. Alternatively, you can do it like that. That's probably an easier method for most people. Alright folks, that was much harder than it should have been, and I ended up breaking the piece quite a bit. But after throwing the tools a couple times and getting under the car, you can see my foot under there, I was able to get this piece off. I'm going to have to go to the probably salvage yard and get another one of these, because that's right there is what it's supposed to look like. Alright, once you've done that, pretty simple process now. Oh yeah, it would help to mention another step. These are screws. They are little Phillips head screws. That's one step I forgot. Some of them have tabs. I know the later models had tabs. This model has screws. Pull that out, and then this, you pull this little thingy out, and that can detach. That's why I was having so much trouble for. Then you just come over here, you pull on it, and there's a headlight. Right here, you can see the bulbs. Twist to remove, twist to remove, and over there, this one is a, there we go. And then there's the headlight mechanism. Don't want to drop it in all of its glory. And then you notice there's a 2 written on there. That's interesting. Here's where you would replace the bulbs. I'll try to hold them up here to demonstrate for you. Here would be like, here's your turn signal, as you can see there. Here is the parking lot and then the headlight. And then when you switch it over to high beams, the other one comes on. So it's interesting. And you will notice that if I were to come over here and simply remove the light bulb, watch the turn signal over there. When I go, I have to turn the car on, but when I go to activate the turn signal, you're going to notice something interesting. Watch this. You notice it does the blinky blink thing, and it's going ticka 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 ticka, because it's trying to figure out why the hell, oh no, duh. There you go. blinking fast down there because that's the alternating bulb. Here's the interesting part. Blinking like it should. It's a very interesting little, that's what most cars have, that's a fault in the system. So we'll cut that off. So now that you've seen how we do that, signal bulb back in, just like that. Here's where you could replace them with LEDs if you wanted to. You know, putting it in is a little more challenging than taking it out. The first thing you want to do is get the bulbs situated in their correct spots. So we'll put the headlight back where, oh yeah, because it goes in this way. Headlight situated. I wonder in some states if it's illegal to not have high beams. I know it's illegal at night not to have headlights, but turn signal bulb, line up, and click. Now we got to situate the headlight. This is a little difficult. What I like to do here is go around like this, pull, and then situate it in like that. That right there, and then you can mess around with it, is pretty much the only surefire. There we go. I got it. That's pretty much the only surefire way I've found to correctly situate the headlight housing. Okay. Now we're going to take the little piece that goes right here, get that secured, put the little screw tack in, get that back on the screwdriver, and tape that back in. Not tape, but securely fasten it. There we go. The screw stripped. So then we're going to take the messed up pieces. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the same spot. We'll put this one on first because it's going to be easier. You got to find the little pivot point in there, which in this particular case, you can see it sticks out right there and right down there. So then, this part's pretty easy, but you take the cap and you find the hole, and then you gotta push until you line it up. Oh, you gotta push to the left a little. I think I got it. You can actually look down and see. There we go. You don't want to crack the headlight housing either, but you don't want the headlight to be loose. That's probably good right there. We'll take the shitty one, and we'll put it back down where it belongs, under here. It's actually easier to tighten like this. I'm gonna have to go to scrapyard, get pieces for it, but oh well. Got it. You gotta push in on the headlights like that. There you go. Headlight, and then we can tighten the other one over here, just like that. Headlight now secure. Then you can pull this back down. I know it's ripping. Again, normally it would stick down, but it really doesn't affect anything either way. So then, come back here, set the camera up, and we'll test it out. Low beams. Looks okay, it ain't that bright anyway. High beams are, headlights. And then brights. Nice and bright. And then finally, oop, I just messed that up. Finally, test the turn signals. Looks good. So I think we can say this is a job well done. Other than breaking the piece, of course. I'm gonna go to the scrapyard on Saturday and get another one because I need to get a couple other parts for this car. That's pretty much how you do it. On a Lumina, Monte, Carlo, whatever. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye, and if you found this video helpful, please like and check out my other videos. Hit subscribe if you want, and I will see you later. Bye-bye. Peace.